Hi, I'm Bill from Bill's Countryside Adventures. I've been really disappointed over the last sort of 18-20 months of the state of the compost that we're buying within the shops. You've obviously got your recommendations like clover and that sort, but it's not readily stocked where I live. I have to travel sort of 20 miles to go and get it, so it's not exactly saving the environment, are we? Now, I get that everyone wants to go on this so-called peat-free bandwagon, but they're not composting the products down properly. There's big lumps of wood, bits of wall. Honestly, it's drove me mad. So, I'll show you what I mean. Well, this is the kind of crap, uncomposted rubbish, bits of wood. Look. And there was bits of wall in this. The gardeners, multi-purpose, approved by Westlands gardeners. So I thought, well, what can I do? So I went to Westlands Johnny's seed sowing compost. But I fell. Look at the size of these rocks within the seed compost. Look at them, look at the rocks. Now that's sifted out. Now that is what I expect seed compost to be like. Nice and thin. Not with big rocks like that in it. Now you tell me how your compost is, any recommendations you've got, but I'm not happy with this. This is just not on.